Maddie, this is a really exciting development, isn't it? So essentially it lets you look at a display home and choose bits of it without actually having to go to the display home.
It's really cool. So CBRE have just launched this new digital display suite. So it's basically a huge screen and has all of their projects right at your fingertips for any potential buyer. And you just flick it up on the screen and it's basically virtual. It's like a virtual tour of an apartment. But I was so lucky. They invited me out there last week to their North Sydney office, which is the most beautiful office you've ever seen. And I want to show you guys what I saw.
One of the best things about buying property which is yet to be built is being able to choose every last fixture and finish. But the thought of making what could be your biggest ever purchase sight unseen is a pretty uncomfortable one. But thanks to cutting-edge technology, it is now possible to try before you buy.
We wanted to set up this electronic display room so that we could present a whole host of materials to buyers. Often we'll build a display apartment on site or a showroom, and that's often inconvenient for buyers, so we wanted something here that people come to our office really easy. We could take them through the project, show them all the materials, show them the features, tell them about it, and use all the graphics. And this is a tremendous piece of software that allows us to do it. And the benefit from our side is some of these things are very expensive to set up, cumbersome when you've got different projects, different clients. This allows us to put all of our projects up very easily.
That's right. All CBRE residences for sale are available on a digital display so that customers can be taken on a virtual tour of what could be their very apartment. No more rushing to open houses or trying to picture yourself in an apartment block that currently looks like a construction site.
We can show them what they're looking to buy, go through what the property offers with them. And with this type of technology, we're able to build a lot more, demonstrate a lot more of what they're looking to buy. So I think it gives the buyers a lot more confidence when they're buying off the plan, rather than just looking at a plan, a piece of paper. That we've got fly-throughs, we've got graphics, we can change the finishes, colours, we can really demonstrate what they're looking to purchase.
Soon, most CBRE agents will be able to have this kind of software on their tablets, bringing the virtual version of your potential new home or investment to the palm of your hand.
Because often they'll meet people somewhere in the city, a coffee shop or wherever, and they'll be able to take someone, I'll say, journey through the showroom and show them what they're looking, if they're interested, what they have on offer. We have offices offshore, and again, the material's very easily uploaded and again can demonstrate very clearly to buyers what we're looking at, what the offering is here.
You don't like the look of the bathroom? Well, it's possible to check out other options and customise on the spot.
It adds another benefit to buyers dealing with us. You know, we want our buyers to make informed decisions. We want our clients who are selling forward to be able to showcase properly what they're selling. So I think it just makes the process of purchasing more comfortable, and I'll say easier, because there's more certainty around what you're buying.
Ultimately, it's about arming potential buyers with all the tools they need to make the best decision possible.
It's a better customer experience, it definitely is. It's a great tool for our clients, our developer clients, to be able to showcase what they're selling. And it's, you can see how clear things are.
Yeah, great stuff there, Maddie. Does it actually feel like you're in the apartment when you're there?
It is really cool, and I think the main thing for me is because they're huge developments. A lot of them aren't built yet, they're construction sites, and it's so much better than seeing, you know, an artist impression or just like, you know, a picture of all going, because they set up showrooms in the actual construction sites. It's so much more like, you just feel like you're there. Like, they took me through one of their big projects and you actually feel like you're walking down and, you know, there's the lobby area, the outside area. You can actually feel like you're there. And so I was just like, if you're a buyer and you want to, especially investing in these apartments, you want to actually feel like you know what it looks like from start to finish, and that's what you can do. You can just walk through it, walk through the all the open areas downstairs, all the shared spaces, and then your actual apartment. And they were saying you can actually go there and be like, you know, I want to look at this apartment in this area, but I want the balcony and I want 2 bedrooms and I want a bigger bathroom than this and that, and they can pinpoint it and say, okay, so you want these, you want this.
It's also about the amazing technology, isn't it? Because especially when there's a range of apartment colour schemes throughout and showing different finishes and swapping. I mean, Lauren, you get that, don't you? Swapping from one look to another.
Yeah.
It looks so real. It's a really amazing experience, and it's exciting technology.
Yeah. Also, sorry, I was going to say if there's upgrades, to be able to see the upgrades and experience them.
And it's in Australia first, so CBRE have kind of started it, and they're taking it to. They've piloted it here in Sydney. They're taking it interstate, and then they'll take it overseas. And I think we'll start seeing a lot more of this, guys.
Yeah, it definitely makes a lot of sense.
Fortunately, interior designers still need to create the beautiful images that then go on the computers.